Are you ready?
Ready.
All right, let's go. Kevin here, top 1 financial advisor and best-selling author. We are here to talk about the stock market. Well, we got some more breaking news today. That's 2 days in a row, and this comes from JetBlue and their bid to buy Spirit Airlines, which is real interesting. So this happened about an hour ago, or the announcement of this potential deal happened about an hour ago. So this is a very quickly developing story, and things will be updated as I upload this video today. But quickly, here's what happened. JetBlue is looking to spend what looks to be about $3.6 billion to buy Spirit Airlines. But that's 40% more than Frontier. Remember, we did a video on this. Frontier Airlines was also looking to buy Spirit. The CEOs came out that they're going to do this thing. I said back then that trash plus trash is still going to equal a trash airlines anyway. You're not going to catch me on none of them flights. But look, JetBlue is stepping in and say, look, I got more money, and I want to consider to purchase your trash can, sir. It's basically what Spirit Airlines is. So it's interesting because, one, we're just finding out about this within the hour. We'll see how the market performs. Now, usually, and we've talked about this before, whether it was PayPal and it wasn't Etsy. I forget who they were supposed to buy. I clearly didn't. Pinterest. It was PayPal and Pinterest. When news comes out, the company that is buying tends to drop. JetBlue is down 7%. However, it is down 33% over the past year. It ain't a stock I'm willing to touch. I don't like really any of the airlines right now, but especially not JetBlue, even though I like it as a consumer. If I had to fly somewhere, I'll take JetBlue. If you fly me to speak at your company event, which you can't do if you email me, you're not getting me on Spirit or Frontier, I'm gonna tell you that. But you can get me on JetBlue. But in either case here, the problem is this. What is this going to mean for JetBlue, assuming that the deal even goes through? Because we thought it was going to be Frontier and Spirit. We thought it was such a done deal that the CEO came out and said, hey, look, we're looking to do this. It's going to make us more competitive. It's going to help us do X, Y, and Z. That didn't happen. At least right now. We'll see which deal Spirit decides to go with. But in either case, not something I'm looking to do. However, Spirit Airlines is up 22% on this news. I'll actually pull up too as I'm talking to y'all, because again, this is a breaking story. See what Spirit Airlines has done. Spirit Airlines stock symbol is SAVE, S-A-V-E. Again, up 22% today based on this news. Over the last 6 months, they're down 0.19%, which honestly isn't bad compared to the overall stock market. But then over the past year, they're down 27% again over the past year. Most airlines are in this very same position or very similar position. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep an eye on it, but this is not an investable asset class for me. We know that energy prices are going up. That's going to cut down on margins for a lot of these airlines. Yes, people may travel more, and that's something you can sort of bank on. But again, the airlines, just the amount of money that it costs to run an airline just doesn't make that much sense in terms of an investor. Very rarely do a lot of these stocks make money over the long term when it comes to the airline industry. If I'm looking for travel, maybe I'm looking for a hotel, maybe I'm looking for Expedia or something like that, maybe even the rental car space. The airlines, not for me. Let me know what you think, because I know American Airlines, especially Delta, are some of the most popular traded stocks every single year. So I'm interested to see, what do you think about this potential deal, and what airline companies do you currently own? For me, that's it. I gotta go follow up to see what has been updated in the last, 4 minutes that I've done this video, because again, things are updating very quickly. I will upload this today on the 5th of April. I scheduled yesterday's video instead of just posting it yesterday. I don't know how that happened, but I apologize for that. But anyway, we'll talk about this more in the comments and on all places, social media, because this is, again, a breaking story, an interesting story, because like myself and everybody else, we definitely thought that Spirit and Frontier was already a done deal. Who else could step out of nowhere and perhaps try and buy Spirit? It's an Elon Musk, because nobody saw him stepping up to buy Twitter. Maybe he's got some more money laying around, and we'll see what happens. All right, that's it for me. I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below.